think negotiating with love, with people you care, is something which we want to discuss today. Live in that era where their parents also didn't allow them to go out, or they were also restricted. So they have some kind of, psyche or whatever you call it, that they don't allow us also, their childs also.
Like reject us from doing certain things, but as time grows they allow us, or they are like, okay, you can do it.
So the question comes, how do we negotiate it? How do we go about it? It's a reality, it's around you. Problem क्या आती है कि when you're a girl, that myself, the S self
becomes
pushing होता रहता है. Others are way more important, and the societal dues are imposed on you, and you forget being what you are. And that's what you need to fluff up. But then fluffing it up doesn't mean that you obliterate the other. Oh, that section which is about I don't give a damn. So how do we do it?
I was in class 12 and I wasn't allowed to go for partying or anything during that time because boards के time थे. First of all, I did not want to even ask them कि मना ही करने वाले. But then I asked them कि जा सकते हैं. They were like नहीं जा सकते. Obviously, they had their own concerns. फिर मैंने बोला जानती हूँ कि लेट आने का थोड़ा होगा पंगा, अगर जो भी होगा. Then I told them कि थोड़ी safety की problem है, ध्यान से जाऊँगी, कुछ problem नहीं है, समझ रही हूँ कि क्या कह रहे हो, कि क्या क्यों बोलोगे आप, मना क्यों करोगे. So actually wording their thoughts sometimes, and when they come out from the child, it's kind of awakening for them. कि right,
कि वो समझ.
So she knows.
Yes.
मेरे concern क्या है? Empathy is never wasted. The moment you empathize, they are compelled to empathize. That
Yes.
अगर ये इतनी छोटी सी समझ सकती है कि मेरा क्या concern है, तो मेरी ड्यूटी नहीं है कि मैं उसको समझूं. पर होता क्या है ना, हम लोग एक दूसरे को बदलने की कोशिश करते रहते हैं और कोई बदलता नहीं है.
I cannot go out with my friends if they are boys unless I have this one girlfriend with me. So as if her being there is going to change everything and make me a lot safer for some reason, but that's the restriction that I have. And I have a curfew, I have to be back home by 7. If I'm in the society, maybe I can stay till 8.
And I say, there are things you ask for, how do we negotiate? And in this negotiation, there are about 6 or 7, can I call them criteria? Of the various criteria, I'm talking being positive, being clear in your heart about what you want, having done the cost-benefit analysis. क्योंकि आपके अगर अपने अंदर conviction नहीं है, तो आप कभी नहीं बोल पाओगे. Okay? So before you start the dialogue, you have to have conviction of why I want it. Now here you add reasoning. Without your reasons being with it as to why you want it, or why you must go, or why you agree, that's why you said to them, you took care of their reasons.
At my point of time when I was in 8th class, a guy friend calling me home for a birthday party was a very big issue for me. It was.
It also depends on how your parents are. I mean, if they're very aggressive, then you would be like talking and soft.
आप negotiate करना चाहते हैं तो पहले खुद तो सुनिए अपनी आवाज़. जब आप अपनी आवाज़ खुद नहीं सुन पाएंगे तो दूसरे से क्या करेंगे, है ना? और जब अपनी आवाज़ सुनते हैं फिर उसको एनालाइज करो. So I hope that you will keep in mind these छोटे things.
Yes.
And don't ever submit just because you're a woman.
Yes.
That's a real no.